You are comfortable. Yeah, yeah, fine. ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
First of all, uh, good evening, everyone. I'm very, very happy to be back in Bangalore. This has become a routine ritual for me before every film to come here and say, greet the Bangalore press and media and friends here. So, the same way, I'm here for Saripoda Senivaram, Surya's Saturday. Actually, 3 days before I was supposed to be here, but something emergency came up, in Hyderabad, and then I had to cancel the trip to Bangalore. But it has been bothering me since that day. We thought too close to the release, and so much work was going on. So I thought I'll miss it this time, but somehow I thought if I don't come to Bangalore, it will not be a full circle of this whole promotion tour and all that, and I'll feel very, very incomplete if I don't make it here. So I'm very, very happy to be here. I know day after is the release, tomorrow night is the premieres, US premieres and all. So it's a last moment, but I still had to do this. I had to be here and I had to greet you all. So one more time, thank you so much for all the love. I think after the Telugu states and US, I think all the films have done so well in Bangalore. That just shows that there's so much of love here, and I am extremely humbled and I'm full of gratitude for all the love. And I'm super sure this 29th with Surya's Saturday, I think our bond will grow stronger, and I'm very, very confident. So 29th it is releasing, and I really hope. I do have a lot of friends here in Bangalore, and so every time I come here, I'm coming here for work, for promotions and all. I am happy, but every time they say you should come here, meet up, catch up and all that, then I don't get the time to. So I'm just hoping after the success of this film, after the release of this film, I will be hopefully coming to Bangalore to actually celebrate, actually to have a good time, not for the promotions. And I'm looking forward to that, and I really hope all the audience will watch the film in Kannada, and Telugu population here who watch Telugu films will watch Saripoda Senivaram and make it a huge success in Bangalore. And I'm confident the content of the film will give you all the reasons to make this a big hit and to come back again and again to the theater. Thank you so much. Thank you.